Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all a $600 plus luxury authentic perfume haul. But before I get into sharing with you all the fabulous new smell goods that I did pick up, I first want to introduce you to Luxury Scent Box, who also helped to make this haul possible. If you dolls, come on now, if you don't know who Luxury Scent Box is, they are a monthly based perfume subscription service that gives you access to a plethora of different authentic brand perfumes that you don't have to break your bank for. The full-size bottle versions, which means you don't got to commit to the full-size version because you get to try out different authentic fragrances at a fraction of the full-size bottle cost. But if you're a newbie that's passing through, you're seeing me for the very first time and you just don't know what the heck I'm talking about, take a look at this. So when you visit the luxuryscentbox.com website, you can choose which plan you would like. They have your standard membership for only $15 a month, or you can do a premium membership for $18 a month. They even give you the option of annual memberships. Either way, you can cancel the service at any given time. There's no contract with this. There's no funny business or anything like that. And once you choose your membership, you then have a plethora of different fragrances for you to choose from. You can choose by scrolling, browsing the entire selections they have available, or you can enter a name of your choice. They even have fragrances for men too. So there's something for everyone on this website. And what I love best about this is your very first month is $9.75. Yes, if you're interested, you will click on the Get Started tab, create your username and profile, select your fragrances, and then voila, you are officially a new member and you'll receive your first fragrance. Okay, dolls, so what do you think? I mean, Luxury Scent Box is the way to go, and like I said, it was Luxury Scent Box who helped to make this video possible. But I'm going to save showing you my monthly subscription picks for the very next video after this, because I want to get into the full-size bottle versions first. Okay, the full-size bottle version first. So, oh my gosh, where do I even begin? Okay, I'm going to start with Juicy Couture. This fragrance right here is called We, okay? This was $105. This one was $105. And when you get it out of its packaging, oh, this is so gorgeous and so cute. Look at this bottle right here. Look at how gorgeous this bottle is. I'm loving the crystal detail on the cap, okay? I'm loving that it has the little ornament right here that says we. We is a French word for yes. And it's pink and it's like a reddish color and it's very heavy and durable. Now, when it comes to this fragrance right here, this first hit the market in 2018. So this is a newly released perfume in the Juicy Couture Perfume Collection. And this, I kid you not, it smells like a cross between jasmine, watermelon, honeysuckle. It's very chic, you know, it's very energetic. And I'm saying that because the start of a productive day for me all begins with my fragrance. And this one by Juicy Couture called We is going to do it. And another reason what attracted me to this is when they picked the name We, it basically meant saying yes to all things girly, to all things that are empowering, to, you know, being out there conquering the world. It's like, I can say yes, I can do it all. That's what was the premise behind creating this fragrance here. And oh my gosh, it smells so incredible, I kid you not. Oh my gosh, like I said, this smells like jasmine, watermelon, honeysuckle type kind of vibes. And like I said, this is by Juicy Couture, and this one is called We in French, which means yes in English, which means yes, you need to get this one, okay? So the next one up I have to share with you is by Michael Kors, and this one is called Stylish Amber, okay? This was $112, and when you get it out of its packaging, voila, this is what it's looking like. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous detail, all right? Gorgeous detail. This will look super cute on your vanity, all right? It kind of reminds me of a gold bar because of the incrusted detail that's in the top. And this is called Stylish Amber. Now, this one came on the scene in like 2016, so it's kind of still new into the Michael Kors collection. But this scent I kid you not, is serving Moroccan vibes. All right, it's very sultry. It's very soft yet attractive. It's giving me orange blossom / cashmere scent to it. All right, and it's super cute. It's insanely durable. It's like it smells like a rich fragrance. Okay, it's called Stylish Amber, and it makes me feel like I'm stylish. And heck, I might as well start calling my name Amber, because this smells incredible. And this one was $112. So the next one, you're gonna like this one. The next one I want to share with you is by Versace Bright Crystal. This one is kind of a little bit of a throwback, because this first came on the market in 2006. Okay, so this ain't new to the perfume game. This particular one been around for quite some time. This one was $95. Okay, $95. And when you get it out of its packaging, look at this. I'm loving the top detail. This looks like a diamond. Okay, this part right here looks like, you know, this should be my wedding ring. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use this as inspiration for my husband. I'm gonna tell him, you know, you need to up my stone to about this size. I want to wear a slingshot, you know, on my arm, just to hold my hand up for my diamond. Anyway, as I was saying, this is Versace Bright Crystal. This first came on the market in 2006, and it's definitely serving a floral scent, but it's very zesty. Okay, it's very zesty. And actually, when this one was introduced, wait a minute, this smells so good. This smells zesty. This smells like, you know, like it's some type of mahogany-ness behind it. It's definitely a floral scent, I tell you that. And the inspiration behind the Versace Bright Crystal is from Donatella. They compiled a bunch of her favorite floral scents together and combined, created Bright Crystal. And anyway, she likes all things diamonds, so that's another reason why it's named Bright Crystal. But it's definitely serving a mahogany floral scent vibe, and it's super gorgeous. And I'm loving that large crystal detail on the actual bottle. So I got that one. And I wanted to save the second best for last. Notice how I said the second best for last. So the next one up is by Keiko. Matter of fact, I don't want to chop this name up, but it's coming up right here. Now, I've seen this hit the market in 1998. This has been around for a very long time. Okay, it was actually first produced in Switzerland. Okay, it was first produced in Switzerland, and then the company decided to import it over here to sell in the US. Back in 1998 is when this one first hit the market. This one in particular was $165, okay? $165. And this is what it's looking like when you get it out of its packaging. OMG. The weight on this alone is worth cost, okay? The weight. I'm loving the sleek design. I'm loving the black detail. I'm loving the embossed name on the top. I'm loving the engravement on the actual bottle. The bottle itself is engraved. And when you come to spray this one, you only need to spray just the beginning tip of it. You don't even got to spray the full bottle, okay? A little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way. This is serving some, hold on. This is serving some powdery vibes. This is giving you powder. This is giving you vanilla. This is giving you floral. This is serving you all kinds of vibes. This is super sexy, all right? It's super sexy, very seductive, all right? Very seductive. And like I said, it was made in Switzerland, and it first came on the scene in 1998. So talk about a throwback that made a serious comeback, okay? And I'm really loving this one. And this bottle, this size bottle here, was $165, but it's worth its weight, okay? It's worth its price. You're going to absolutely love this. And the tiniest bit sprayed of this is going to carry you a super long way, okay? So now that I've shown you this one, and I told you that was the second best for last, now I'm gonna show you the best I decided to save for last. Remember when I told y'all throughout several videos that I was holding on to my Christian Dior J'adore corner? You see that little corner right there? And I was holding on to it for dear life, holding on to it. Well, I ain't gotta hold on to it no more. The Hubs went and purchased me a brand new bottle. OMG. I was so excited when he handed this to me. I've been talking about this for at least almost a year and a half now of me holding on to this bottle. And when he saw the other perfumes that I just showed you, he himself picked up the Dior bottle. So I ain't gotta hold on to this quarter no more. In fact, I'm gonna spray that out tomorrow. This one was $130. Okay, the Dior by Christian Dior. You all should be very familiar to this. This ain't new. This been around forever. Okay, this is what it's looking like, and this is what it was looking like when it was empty. And now I have a full-size bottle version, and oh my gosh, I'm just over the top thankful that he went and picked this up for me, because Lord knows I really wanted it. As I said in the beginning of the video, this video was made possible by Luxury Scent Box. And Luxury Scent Box is a monthly based subscription perfume service which helps you not to commit to the full size bottle versions of perfumes. You get to try out authentic perfumes at a fraction of their cost, because you're going to get travel size friendly bottles that you can take with you. As a matter of fact, let me just open one up real quick that you can easily take with you on the go, and you get to try them out without the commitment of the full size bottles. And it's going to come in a capsule like this, and to get it, all you're going to do is twist this like this. It opens. See, you're going to twist, it opens. You're going to twist and it opens, and this is your fragrance that is inside of it. This is how much perfume you're going to get. One size of these vials can last you for a whole month. If you spray about 4 sprays a day, this will last you for a whole month. And like I said, you get to try out a plethora of different authentic perfumes without committing to the full-size bottle version. So on that note, dolls, seriously, this just concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go and put my brand new fragrances away, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.